In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remember a lost recovery phrase using the Phantom app. Now, if you're trying to retrieve this crucial piece of information, you're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned cryptocurrency enthusiast or just starting out, it's essential to safeguard your recovery phrase, as it allows you to regain access to your wallet if ever you lose your credentials. First things first, you need to open your Phantom app. If this is your first time or you're doing this on a new device, ensure you've logged into your account with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land right on your home page. Here, you can see your current balance along with the tokens you hold. Additionally, there are various features you can access like receiving, sending, swapping, or buying cryptocurrencies. Each of these options provides a streamlined trading experience within the app. To continue with recovering your phrase, we need to navigate a little. Go ahead and click on your profile picture or icon, which you'll typically find in the corner of your screen. Clicking here will open up a menu with a variety of options. What you're looking for is the Settings option. Once in the Settings menu, you should see an array of configurations, but your focus should be directed toward Security and Privacy. This section is crucial, as it houses all the settings related to securing your account. Now, look for the option that says Show Recovery Phrase. Clicking on this will prompt the app to ask for your password. This is a critical security measure to ensure that you, and only you, can access this sensitive information. Enter your password carefully. Once your password is authenticated, your recovery phrase will be displayed. This is where you need to exercise caution. Take time to carefully note down the recovery phrase. I recommend saving it in a secure location, such as a password manager or an encrypted file. It's vital to ensure this information remains private and protected. Remember, anyone with access to your recovery phrase can potentially access your wallet and funds, so keeping it confidential is imperative. And that concludes the process. By following these instructions, you can successfully retrieve and secure your recovery phrase, ensuring you maintain access to your cryptocurrencies and safeguard your assets. Always prioritize security when handling sensitive information in the digital space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.